Now we are on our way to TMSS Medical College. We have arrived at the college. You can just see the colossal building which was established in the year 2008.
Now we are at TMSS Medical College. It's a huge campus. You can see the campus in the way. This is actually a campus in which all medical related, paramedical related courses are being taught, be it MBBS, be it nursing, be it dental. And I think in any part of Bangladesh you will never find such a huge campus based college with huge infrastructure and patient flow. TMSS is one of its kind. Faculties from US, UK, Canada have also come here in past, and they have opened up some really big research center here as well.
Affiliated with Rajshahi University, approved by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, National Medical Commission of India and World Health Organization. So you can just see the floor plan of the college building, where it becomes easy to find and discover the places of the college. So we have the privilege of the elevators. Now we are entering the central library of the college, the reading room for students, the issue room where you can issue different medical related books. You can just see how huge the library is, providing a huge collection of books, periodicals, course related books from across the globe, newspaper, journals, and also internet facilities provided for students. You can just see the collection of books. Huge collection of books. We have entered the huge lecture gallery. More than 100 students can sit and have their classes. The lecture galleries are providing audiovisual aids, projectors, and very well air conditioned. The second lecture gallery. Everything is for the benefit of the students. It is massive. So from here we are entering the massive hall dedicated to late Professor Dr. A.K.M. Masudar Rahman. This is the conference area, a huge auditorium where all official proceedings are being conducted. So this is the tutorial classes going on for the students. The students are studying. Now a very unique feature of this college is the bone library. You can just see the bone library where all the bones are being displayed. Children can come and have a look and study accordingly. From here we enter the dissection department. You can just see the cadaver is been displayed.
First of all, you can see the triangle. This is the triangle, so here anterior posterior triangle. So when you see the triangle, first of all you have to dissect the triangle. What is the steps of dissection? You know that. What is the incision? What is the first incision? Okay. Then a curved incision. Third incision from the then we reflect the skin with superficial fascia and platinum. Okay. Then after platinum muscle, then some other different structure you can see the triangle. So this one is the
This is the dissection hall where the students are divided into batches and they are learning with the specimen. So from here we are entering the biochemistry laboratory. You can just see the laboratory where biochemistry practicals are being conducted for the students. Very well organized for overall learning for the students. See how well practical records are being placed. Now we have entered the Department of Forensic Science. You can just see the classrooms. Spacious classrooms. The tutorial class for forensic science. On our left you can just see the notice board of the different departments. We are entering the specimen room where different specimen are being displayed related to the specific subject. Just have a look at the specimens. Now from here we are moving to the Department of Microbiology. You can just see the layout and also the different notices related to microbiology. The library related to the Department of Pathology. So there are small library pockets of different departments apart from the central library. We are crossing the museum, the Department of Pathology. The laboratory. So this college has more than 200 qualified faculties providing top class education to more than 700 students. Around 50% allocation is for foreign students in this medical college. So privilege of elevators are being provided to students, to faculty members, to visitors of this college. From here we are moving to the hostel area. This is an enclosed campus. So we are now entering the hostel premises. So first we'll be entering the girls hostel. So you can just see the girls hostel area, which is again inside the campus. Highly disciplined hostel area. Just see the rooms, spacious rooms. The hostels have CCTV installation for maximum security for the boys and girls student. Hostels are very well supervised, very clean environment. So this is the dining area where the students have their 3 meals of the day, the breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you can see the lush green environment of the college, thus giving the students a great atmosphere for best study. So we are entering the boys' hostel. The hostels are very spacious with very spacious rooms. This is the boys' hostel. You can just see the rooms. Spacious rooms provided for the students, well ventilated rooms, attached washrooms. The dining hall area is the same process just like the girls' hostel. Breakfast, lunch and dinner is provided from the college. So from here we are moving to the college hospital. So we have arrived at the college hospital. You just see the infrastructure of the college hospital. It is huge. Very massive hospital. You can just see the patient inflow. Just see the number of patients pouring in, which itself indicates the popularity of this hospital in the country of Bangladesh and the level and the standard of this hospital. You can just see the patient inflow. This hospital provides more than 750 beds for its inpatient. So patients are waiting for their consultation. And this hospital provides all medical aids and every medical facilities. So we have different departments and sections of the hospital, from reception to pathology areas and others. So now we are entering the Department of Radiology and Logistics. You can just see the patients. Patients are waiting for their different diagnosis. This is the Radiology and Logistic Department. You can just see all patients are waiting. So this was the tour we took of TMSS College, which is just 1 to 2 hours journey from Dhaka International Airport, and it is very well commuted with roadways and railways, which is just few minutes drive from the college and the hospital. Very well established hospital, providing an international level to the students.
So this was all about TMSS Medical College. इसका कैंपस अगर आपने देखा है तो आपको समझ में आ गई होगी. दिस इज़ नॉट अ कॉलेज जहाँ पर आप सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं. यहाँ पर आपकी एक लाइफ चेंजिंग एक जर्नी होती है. और मेडिकल कॉलेज एक कैंपस बेस्ड, और वो भी इतना बड़ा कैंपस जहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं फूड स्टॉल वगैरह भी कॉलेज के अंदर में एक छोटा सा मार्केट बन गया है. मतलब इतना बड़ा कॉलेज है, इतने ज़्यादा पेशेंट आते हैं कि कॉलेज के अंदर एक छोटा सा मार्केट ही बना दिया गया है पेशेंट्स के लिए, उनके रिश्तेदारों के लिए. कैंटीन बना दी गई है. कॉलेज में हॉस्पिटल से बाहर जाने के लिए उन लोगों के लिए कॉलेज कैंपस के अंदर एक रिक्शा स्टैंड बना हुआ है. तो मैं क्या बनूँ, अगर आपको एक ऐसी दुनिया में रहना है जहां आप आए, पढ़ें और एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बन करके निकले, जैसा कि हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी निकल करके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और पीजी में भी अच्छा प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो आप इस कॉलेज को चूज़ कर सकते हैं. रिसेंटली एक अच्छी सी गुड न्यूज़ आई है कि TMSS मेडिकल कॉलेज के अंदर 5 नए सुपर स्पेशलिटी कोर्सेज़ को अप्रूवल मिला है, जो कि प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में एक यूनिक है। कि प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज को पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन सुपर स्पेशलिटी और डिप्लोमा जैसे कोर्सेज़ का मतलब सीट मिलना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, तो वो यहाँ पर मिला है TMSS मेडिकल कॉलेज को। तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा गुड न्यूज़ है 2022 में जो बच्चे एडमिशन लेने वाले हैं उनके लिए। तो चलिए, आप लोगों को ऑल द बेस्ट। और अगर आपको इस तरह के कैंपस टूर मेरे पसंद आते हैं जिससे आपको हेल्प होती है मेडिकल कॉलेज का सिलेक्शन में, तो ज़रूर इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ जो बच्चे नए एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, जो बच्चे पेरेंट्स एडमिशन के लिए हमारे पास आना चाहते हैं, उनको मैं बोलूँ, यहाँ पर कम से कम नहीं भी तो 20 से 25 स्टूडेंट मुझे पहचान करके बोले सर मैंने आपका वीडियो देख करके एडमिशन लिया इस कॉलेज में। बट कहीं ना कहीं उनके पेरेंट्स ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं जब कंसल्टेंट बहुत दूर होता है। उनको चाहिए अपने गली के पास वाला, उनके मोहल्ले के पास वाला कंसल्टेंट, और यहाँ आने के बाद उसको कोई सर्विस नहीं मिल रही है। ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। आपको एज अ पेरेंट सबको मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि पेरेंट्स, आप सिर्फ ये मत देखें कि कौन सा अच्छा कंसल्टेंट आपके आसपास में है। अगर आपको 5 साल तक सपोर्ट देने के लिए हम यहाँ पर हैं, तो उसका भी एक रिस्पेक्ट आपको देना चाहिए। बच्चे हमेशा हमारे थ्रू एडमिशन ज़रूर लेना चाहते हैं, कई बार पेरेंट्स उनको नहीं ट्रस्ट करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये वीडियोस मेरे ख्याल से आपको हेल्प जरूर करेगा। तो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट इट।